It's Catherine again. We are going on with our class on the solar suitcase. So today we are going to look at how do you tell if you have a full electric system. So we start here, number one. This is where the solar panel goes. And you can see this is a switch over here. And then here is where your load comes out. For example, a light bulb. And you can see the switch is here for the light bulb. On this terminal is where you can be able to charge a device such as a cell phone. All right. This here is the brain of the electric system, also known as the charge controller. And you can see we have yellow here for the solar panel. We have red there for the battery and blue for the load. Now, would you like to see how the back looks like? Just open up this screw. You can see that, simple to remove. Okay, I already opened it to make it easy. And you pull it out gently. And so, this is the back. And so coming here, where we had the solar module, you can see this is the breaker. This is the breaker. And when you come this side, you can see the two sockets. And you can see the double breaker over here. You can see there's very simple wiring, the red, the yellow for the solar, the red for the battery, and the blue for the loads. And so I just return that back in gently. So it is in there, gently. And so this cavity is for the battery. The battery would normally fit in here nicely. But because right now I have a bigger battery, then it doesn't go in. So you can see here is the battery. I have already connected this black to black and this red to red here. And so I fix it in, and it has a foolproof mechanism. One side is round and one side is straight to make sure that it goes in well. And so once I fix that, all right, I switch on the light and boom. You can see the charge controller has now gone on. It is ready to control your battery. And so now that I have that on, I'm going to come here and I put on my load. Remember I said this was the socket for the load. And so I come in here gently. I had already fixed in my load. This is you can see here this light, 5 watt. This is a 5 watt bulb, and I put on and it goes on. And so you can see that my circuit is fully connected. So you can see what we had said before. Your solar would normally come in here. Your charge controller is here controlling. Your battery is there. You have your terminals connected properly. And you have your load which you switch on. But then how do you charge this system? Then becomes the question. How do you charge this system? And so I will introduce now the solar module. And this is it, solar panel. All right. This is the cable that we're using to connect it. Okay. So you take your cable. I have not opened mine yet. And you fix your cable. You have a slot here for fixing the cable. Panel is connected outside, and you actually, so this is the solar panel that we're going to use. It's a module, and you can see this is the back. The cabling is ready. We just have to fix it. And so we take this cable, when you open it and you connect it to the source of solar, and you connect it to the back here, and you make that connection. You complete it at this point, and it's ready. If the solar module is actually connected to the sun, where you can get electric currents, you actually see your light bulb go on. Otherwise, you have the panel and you can be able to recharge your battery. And that is all for today's class. I hope that now you're going to be able to demonstrate a full electric system on the solar suitcase. Bye class, see you next time.